Welcome to Agilemania. Today we will talk about a suitable learning path for the role of a Scrum Master in Agile software development. Before I talk about the learning path, do you think you are struggling to find answers for any of these questions? Are you looking to become a Scrum Master to start a new journey through the Agile methodology? Are you feeling stuck as a Scrum Master and unable to make the next move? Are you looking for opportunities to sharpen your expertise in Scrum? Are you a part-time Scrum Master and unsure how to convince your management of the advantages of a full-time Scrum Master? Do you want to expand your Scrum Mastery skills? Is too much information confusing you in choosing the right plan? Are you confused as to what to do after a PSM or CSM certification? If the answers to any of the above questions are yes, you have come to the right place. We at Agilemania have created a learning path to help you become a Scrum Master. The learning path has 4 phases, and each phase is well supported with real-time examples to help you get the maximum benefit out of these programs. The primary phase is Essential, which has 2 learning programs. Both are must-do programs for a Scrum Master. The first is Professional Scrum Master Level 1, which helps in learning the Scrum framework and the role of Scrum Master in Scrum. The second program is Professional Scrum Master Level 2, which helps you explore the kinds of services a Scrum Master provides to the Scrum team, product owner, and organization. The second phase consists of 2 programs and may help in specific scenarios, so I call it the helpful phase. It has ICPACC or Certified Agile Coaching. It enables Scrum Masters to become Agile coaches by developing Agile coaching skills to serve stakeholders. So, if you are looking to advance your career, you should attend it. Next is the Leading Safe certification program that helps in exploring business agility using scaled Agile framework. You'll gain knowledge of SAFe principles, Agile product development, DevOps, and systems thinking. The third phase is the Value Add. You might be wondering why I call it Value Add? Because it truly adds value to your knowledge regardless of which scaling framework you use. The first program that we recommend is the Less Basics. Less or Large-Scale Scrum is a framework for scaling Agile development with multiple teams. You learn how to develop a product with multi-team Scrum. The second is Professional Scrum Product Owner Certification. Scrum Masters should know the product owner's accountability and responsibility to serve them better to have a successful product. The fourth and final phase is the Nice to Have phase. Even if you decide to miss these programs, your position won't become any lower. Here, there is the Scrum with Kanban certification program. You'll be learning how to apply Kanban and flow practices in your work. And next is the Professional Agile Leadership Essentials course. It is designed to help managers and leaders who work with Agile teams comprehend how to best support, guide, and coach their Agile competence teams. So, that is the Scrum Master learning path that we put together to help you. Now, have you figured where you stand in the Scrum Master learning path? Let us know your decision so we can help you stay updated in this Agile world. See you.